Guys, it's Piccolo from Little Pickle Productions, and in today's video we're going to be cutting open the squishy, and it already started leaking, so I'm like, why not cut it open? So I'm just going to make this quick and short, and so we can just cut it open. So as you can see here, there is a little crack right here, so like when you squeeze it, get it up, it comes out, as you can see. So I was like, wow, and wow, that sky is really beautiful. But yeah, so I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut it open very carefully. We're gonna like spread the little top off here. We are gonna use scissors, but I just wanted to use it in a safe position. Oh, the little thing popped off already. Wow. Don't even need scissors. Wow. Oh my goodness. The thing already popped off. That's so funny. It's sort of a squishy itself. Oh, here is the slime. That is so cool. It's like coming out. Oh, that's neat. Okay, hold on. Let me squeeze it. Let me cut it open. Like more. And the rest of it can come out. Let me like squeeze it. Oh, there's so much in there. Start from the little incision. Go down. By the way, you need parental supervision for cutting open these squishies here. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, that is neat. This is jiggly slime. This is jiggly. Oh no, I got some right here. This is jiggly slime, you guys. It even clicks. What do you know? It clicks. It clicks. Okay, this is cool. It's just like normal slime, except that it's just more jiggly. Oh, it's so cool. This is really neat. Oh, this is cool. I'm going to show my mom this. This is really weird. It's like watery. Look at that click though. It doesn't even stretch, you guys. It clicks, you guys. It even clicks. Oh my gosh, this is so neat. I'm just clicking this weird water slime. And when it even like, look at this guys, it's like jiggly. Let's try to put it back in the ball. We should like put it back inside the little ball thing. This is super fun slime to play with, you guys. This is really fun. I wonder if it dries out. I don't want to do an experiment on that though. Oh, we can still do it. You could still play with it though. It just a lot harder to. And then you can be like, hey guys, look at what I did. There is nice clicky slime in here. Like it's real. See guys? All my force. It's real slime. It is real slime. It's really weird. But it is slime. It definitely is slime. Oh, this is such a weird texture. I don't even know how to explain it. I still have a little bit more left on my thing. It's really odd. No explanation. So as you can see, this was a cool cutting open video today. But this was neat to cut open. Pickle cuts open. We're not going to start a channel like that though. It's going to be... probably do some ASMR with this. So it might be a little bit loud, but let's just do some quiet ASMR. Okay, yeah, this isn't gonna end well. One of the slime pet peeves is when there's so much background noise, but this is, I just don't know anymore. Also, I want to give a shout out to Sydney, Sabrina, Shannon, and Maddie. So, shout out to them. They're my friends. They don't have a YouTube channel though, but who cares? I just feel like that would be nice to request them in a video. I mean, not request them, what am I talking about? Say them in a video, because that would be nice for me to do. So, yeah. So, I hope you guys liked this video, and yeah. Hope you guys liked the shout-outs for today. I know they watch my videos, so I'll be happy to know that I shouted them out. So, I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more. And I'll see you guys all later. Bye. And before you go, subscribe to Cupcake Kitty. Bye, guys.